Hello students, I am Shailendra Pratap Singh, PRT KV OEF Hajratpur Firozabad. Today we will discuss class 3rd EVS chapter number 16 games we play. And this is the part 1 of this chapter. Expected learning outcomes. After watching this video, students will be able to understand importance of games, about local games, concept of indoor and outdoor games, rules of games, sense of teamwork, role of games in day-to-day life. Children, we have different hobbies. You all will have different hobbies. What are yours? Okay, okay. So mostly children, most students have common hobby, that is playing games. All children want to play games and playing game make them happy. Games are very important to us. They keep us healthy, fit and fine. In early days, people used to play local games like hide and seek, gilli danda, hopscotch, marbles, flying kites, kabaddi, seven tiles and so on. Games are played between at two players and many games have more number of players. No history is found of exact starting of games. However, first time in 1896, Olympic Games were started in Greece. Games are very important to us and games help a person in many ways like to maintain physical fitness, to increase blood flow level, to increase mental health, to increase stamina, builds a sense of teamwork, stress relieving. When we play games, our body moves in various ways. Many things like running, jumping, and this force to body to release sweat from our body. Hence, we keep fit and it also increase the blood flow level and release the stress of our mind. When we play games in a group of people, then it makes a sense of teamwork. So games are very important to us. Let's get see some local games. Here you can see this is seven tiles. Now tell me, yes, if you are recognizing this, this is gilli danda. Very good. And this one is, you all know about this game. This is very interesting game. This is Steppo, hopscotch or Langri Tang. Exactly. And this one is marbles. Very good. Now tell me this game. Yeah, exactly. This is kabaddi. And this one is, you all know about this game. This is hide and seek. Okay. Now games. Actually games are two types, indoor games and outdoor games. What are indoor games? You can see as it shows indoor, we have to play in the door, means the games we play inside our house are called indoor games. For example, chess, ludo, carom, table tennis, etc. And the other one is outdoor games. The games we play outside our house or in the ground are called outdoor games. For example, hockey, cricket, football, badminton. Indoor games. First, chess. The picture which is showing here is chessboard. Chess is a board game. This game is played between two players. and there are blocks in this board game, and total number of squares are blocks are 64. Every player, either white or black, has 16 pieces located on 64 square board. Here you can see 16 pieces are here for white players and 16 pieces are there for other one. There are kings, queens, bishops, pawns, horses, knights in the game, and the object of the game is to be able to catch the opponent's king. When any player checks the opponent's king and opponent player can't deal with it, this is called checkmate. Carom. Here you can see a board, that is carom. Carom is a tabletop game. It is played between 2, 3 or 4 players. This game was started either in India or Sri Lanka. There are black and white discs are in this board. Here you can see black discs and these are white discs, and one is red disc, that is known as queen. There is a red disc in this game which is called queen. Now this is Ludo. You also know about and you also enjoy it. This is a very popular indoor game of our house. We play Ludo with the help of dice. In a dice, this is dice. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dice has 6 faces. Okay. In a dice, 1 to 6 numbers are present. Maximum 4 players can play game at a time. And this one is table tennis. At the picture, this is table and you can see this is racket. Table tennis is also known as ping pong. It may be 2 or 4 players in this game. Players hit a lightweight ball back and forth across a table using small rackets. You can see small rackets here. Okay, and this is ping pong ball. The game takes place on a hard table. You can see this is a hard table and here something is tied up, that is a net. The game takes place on a hard table divided by a net.